Alright, let's talk about spam prevention. It's critical to make sure that your website is blocking spam effectively, and you cannot block spam 100%. Still things will get through, but it's important to have some kind of basic protection in place. People use Google reCAPTCHA a lot, where you have to select stairs and buses and cars and whatever not. Anyways, that thing is not working really anymore. I don't know, it has been hacked a while back, and it's just such a bad way to go about spam prevention. We're not even using it anymore. So anyways, if you are looking to get your form working and prevent spam from going through your form, you might want to switch to something else, something that's a little bit better, a little bit on higher end than the generic Google reCAPTCHA. What we're using is Turnstile. I think that's what it's called. Anyways, it's part of Cloudflare. If you haven't never heard about Cloudflare, really awesome thing. You need to get an account in Cloudflare, and it's just so awesome. So they offer exceptionally good protection against spam. I don't know how they're doing it, but it works. It's not going to work 100%, but it's definitely going to be up there in terms of prevention. At least in 2025, year 2025, that's when I'm recording this video. So I'm going to go guide you through the process of integrating Turnstile. I think that's what it's called. Turnstile. Yep, Turnstile. Into your website, into your WordPress website. More specifically, into your WordPress website that runs Formidable Forms, or Formidable Forms. Some people pronounce it differently. We're using Formidable Forms. The process will be somewhat the same for other form types, but Formidable Forms is what we use with our clients, and it works really well. Let's head over to the Mailgun? No, we don't need Mailgun. Let's head over to our client's website. You can see that we have reCAPTCHA that has been added here, which doesn't work, and we're going to fix that. I'm going to go to Formidable Forms over here, and then we're going to navigate over to the Forms section where we have the contact form. I'm going to go to Edit the Forms. And then over here, we have the reCAPTCHA, right? So we need to change that from Google's CAPTCHA to the Turnstile. We're going to go to Global Settings here on the left-hand side, and then head over to the CAPTCHA spam, and over here we're going to turn to Turnstile. That's what we want to use, and then it will require site key and the secret key. You will need to have a Cloudflare account. You will need to add your domain into the Cloudflare account and connect your Cloudflare account to your hosting account. Fairly complicated. If you need help with it, reach out to us at Webeka. This is our maintenance plan. You can subscribe to our maintenance plan. We do a lot of stuff. It includes 1 hour of our web development time per month, but if you need help with that complex maneuvers, reach out to us. We'll be happy to help. So, if you know how to set up those accounts and do all of the pointing of different things, you will have Cloudflare account that's pointing to your hosting account, and you'll be able to use the Turnstile. Once you are inside your Cloudflare, make sure that you are in your account. We have many accounts that we manage for our clients. In the search tab, start typing Turnstile, and then click Add Widget. I'm going to call this widget the same name as our customer. It's important so you keep things organized. Alright, and managed, click create, sorry, add host names. Yes, we need to add the host name, search, add. Excellent. So we have that. We're going to click create. So that's going to give us secret key and the site key. So we're going to copy the site key first. Site key, paste here. Copy the secret key, paste here, and update at the very top. Yay. Let's see what happens. Going to refresh. It's turning. Yay, it's done. Check it out. See, that was easy. So the main complexity that you might have is configuring the Turnstile account, because it sits inside Cloudflare, so you'll need to potentially move your DNS management into Cloudflare, which is a really, 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 really good idea for many reasons, because Cloudflare hides your IP address, it has the network to help you protect against attacks to your website. It's just a really good way. It updates DNS really quickly. Just get a professional Cloudflare account, and it's free. Like, get a free account. It is professional because professionals use Cloudflare, but it's so awesome. You will not regret it. It also allows you to get free SSL certification for your website, which is also really, really good. All right, so that is pretty much done. We have installed the Turnstile into the website, and it's protected from spam, at least somewhat. Fairly good protection. So in our website maintenance and management services that we offer at my company, we actually monitor what's happening with the form. If it starts to sound spam and it somehow bypasses the spam prevention, then we take additional steps. Alright, so if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us, but that's how you configure Turnstile and prevent spam in the forms on the websites.